Elections to the 40-member Legislative Assembly will be held on Saturday, in which 10.25 lakh voters will decide the fate of 215 candidates, including 9 women and 74 independents in the fray. The real fight will be between Congress-NCP alliance and BJP-MGP tie-up.
निश्चित प्रकार घडचो न्ही म्हणून पुलिसांक सतर्कतेचो इशारो दिल्लो आसा. हाचेच बरोबर काही जो एडजॉयनिंग स्टेट्स आसा थंयच्यान भायल्यान कितें येवचें न्ही म्हणून थंय पहारो दवरलेलो आसा. रातची जे व्हेकल्स आसतली समज जर पुलिसांक किंवा फ्लायिंग स्क्वॉडाक ती सस्पिशियस दिसली किंवा 10 उपरांत येवपी प्रत्येक व्हेकलांक आमी सांगता तुमी चेक करात. कित्याक 8 पर्यंत जी व्हेकल्स आमची चलती वतली ताजे उपरांत जी व्हेकल्स आसतली ती प्रत्येक व्हेकल शक्यतो चेक करची की खंय जर पयशे जावं अन्य कसले मटेरियल मेळत जाल्यार ते कॉन्फिस्केट करचे. इलेक्शनाचो वेळ एखादो वाडपाक शक्य आसा सांजचो 5 उपरांत आनी कसलो अनुचित हें जावचें न्ही म्हणून एक्सायज डिपार्टमेंटान रिकमेंडेशन केलां की जे ड्राय डीस आसा तो सांजचो 5 सोडून तो 8 पर्यंत करचो अशें म्हणून आनी त्या खातीर आमी ते सरकाराक धाडलेलें आसा नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू करून.
A total of 3,526 local policemen along with companies of paramilitary forces have been deployed to prevent any lawlessness. Over 6,246 polling persons, 2,304 local police personnel and 20 companies of Central Reserve Police Forces were deployed in all 40 constituencies of the state. The coastal state is the first in the country to adopt poll monitoring system during the assembly elections. Under the system, photographs and fingerprints of all voters will be captured on computers. Voting begins at 7 a.m. in 1,612 polling booths with 10,644 polling personnel on duty. While the actual fight is likely to be between Congress-NCP and BJP-MGP alliance, the Trinamool Congress debut could spring some surprises in many constituencies. At the end of the campaign on Friday, various candidates expressed satisfaction over the response they received during their door-to-door campaign in their respective constituencies, and this is what they had to say.
We are very happy that as far as party is concerned, everything has gone very smoothly. With cohesiveness. There is no confusion within the BJP ranks file. My constituency, I have covered about 80%.
I have almost covered 90% of the houses of my constituency. So I am feeling that voters' response is very good and people seek for a change.
आमचो मतदारसंघ आयलँडाचो आसा, बेटांचो असल्या कारणान खुबशा घरांनी वचपाक शक्य जालें ना. पण तरी सुद्धा हांवें मॅक्झिमम प्रयत्न केलो की प्रत्येक घरांनी वचपाचो, प्रत्येक कडेन वचपाचो.
lot of people have come back to me and said why you had to come to visit us. We are there with you, we are with your party and we are giving you a wholehearted support. My hard work has neutralized this anti-incumbency. If a few voters have slipped away, I have managed to get more voters on my side by my hard work.
The campaigning was very good. I got tremendous response because I had stressed more on door-to-door visit of the citizens of Mapsa.
Adding final touches to the preparation of the battle of ballots, agents of 275 polling booths of 7 constituencies assembled at Pede Sports Complex, Mapsa, on Friday along with a team of police personnel before collecting their electronic voting machines to set up their booths for Saturday's elections when Goans will decide the future of candidates. Armed with their paraphernalia and closely watched over by armed police, they then boarded their respective buses. Digambar Kamath, who is contesting from Margao, appealed to the people to vote Congress back to power as it provided stability for the past 5 years, because of which many projects could be implemented.
आणि स्टेबल गव्हर्नमेंट आशिल्ल्यान आमी खूबसो विकास करपाक शकता आनी म्हणून हांव गोंयकार भाव भयणी कडेन मागतां की हें लक्षांत दवरून आपल्या कॉन्शियसाक विचारून तांणी वोट करचें.
In Fatorda, independent candidate expressing satisfaction with his campaigning accused the Congress party of match fixing by fielding a weak candidate.
भरपूर एफर्ट घेतलो आनी लोकांचो भरघोस प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो. चड करून लोकांक दिसता की फातोर्डा मतदारसंघात एक मॅच फिक्सिंग जाली बिटवीन द 2 मेन स्ट्रीम पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज. काँग्रेस आणि बीजेपी एक कॉन्स्पिरसी करून काँग्रेसीन एक वीक कॅन्डिडेट दिलो.
Meanwhile, polling booths' final preparations were carried out in Kepe and Kurchure constituencies as well on Friday. While confusion prevails among the voters in Kortali, Doubly, voters seem to have made up their mind. There are 10 candidates vying for the seat in Vasco. While the incumbent Vasco MLA José Philip de Souza appears confident of winning the seat for the third time, the BJP candidate Carlos Almeida also has reached out to all voters and is believed to be neck and neck with his NCP rival. Although there is report of having triangular fight in Mormugao constituency between Congress candidate Sankalpa Monkar, BJP candidate Milind Naik and the independent candidate Nazir Khan, it is equally difficult to predict as to who will be the first to the post in Mormugao.
पब्लिकान म्हाका डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनी हांवें ते 20,000 वोटरांचे डोर टू डोर कॅम्पेनिंग करून तेंचो रिस्पॉन्स असो आसा की बाबा हे फाटी तांकां चेंज जाय, चेंज ऑफ फेस, चेंज ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट, आणि दे बिलीव इन इंडिपेंडेंट कॅन्डिडेट.
The Deputy Collector and Returning Officer in Mormugao, Sabaji Shetty, has assured foolproof security measures in view of complaints received about some leaders making efforts to lure the voters.
We have decided to place the mobiles at the various places. Specifically, those areas are the slums area. However, the flying squads also will carry on the constant and frequent visit within the area.